Ever walked into a cluttered room and felt that instant wave of doubt? Buyers do too. A clean, inviting space can make a world of difference in how potential buyers perceive a home. At TidyTex Home Cleaning, we understand that first impressions are everything. As a proud veteran-owned business in San Antonio, we take immense pride in transforming homes into sparkling showcases that captivate buyers and help realtors close deals faster than ever. We specialize in quick turnarounds, ensuring your listings shine just in time for those crucial open houses or buyer visits. Imagine walking into a home where every corner glistens and smells fresh, creating an atmosphere of comfort and trust. That's not just a cleaning service, that's the TidyTex promise. Plus, here's a valuable tidy tip for realtors. Before a showing, open all the blinds and turn on the lights to create a warm, welcoming atmosphere. This simple action can enhance a home's appeal, making it feel more spacious and inviting for buyers. Ready to elevate your real estate game and make a lasting impression? Check the video description for more details and contact us today for a cleaning service that builds buyer confidence and trust.